your waistline. So won't you come closer? Yeah. Let me know you're on mine. Let me know you're on mine. And I might stay tonight, but not for long. And I might say goodbye, but right now, yeah, baby, right now. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama. Girl, it's getting harder, I can't take much more. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama.
Check the stats, James Bond in the flesh, girl, that's a fact. I was raised by OG, so I'm low-key. I'm what you need in your life, baby, believe me. I'm a freak that can eat, that can beat, that can treat you like that queen that you was meant to be. I'm that good, I'm that raw, I'm that slick, I'm that dog, I'm that nothing to something to have it all. Now mommy just watch, learn, and listen. I got her feeling so good, she stays switching. But before I banished, she spoke Spanish. She said, Papito Rico, te necesito.
I might stay tonight, but not for long. And I might say goodbye, but right now, yeah, baby, right now, I need you.
Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama.
I need you.
Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama. Girl, it's getting harder, I can't take much more.
I need you.
Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama.
I need you. If you touch me right,
If you touch me
then
right,
I might stay the night.
I might stay the
Oh,
night.
we can take our time.
We could take our
I know we gotta say goodbye. I know we gotta say goodbye.
No, no.
no, 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 no.
Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama. Girl, it's getting harder, I can't take much more.
I need you.
Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama.
I need you. Yeah, yeah. I need you. Pa' mi gente latina, stand up. Cuba. I need you.
Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dale a cuerpo.
Quítate todo, quítate todo, quítate todo, quítate, quítate, 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 quítate. Mami, pero ya tú te involucras.
Ajá, ¿y por qué tú querías que yo me involucrara?
Adiós, mami. No, quítate, 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 quítate todo, quítate todo, quítate, 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 quítate todo, quítate, 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 quítate todo. Quítate todo, quítate, 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 quítate. A mí me gusta el sonido que suena así.
¿Cómo?
Cachaplac, 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 cachaplac. quítate, quítate, quítate todo, quítate todo, quítate todo, quítate, quítate, quítate todo, quítate, 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 quítate todo, quítate todo, quítate, 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 quítate todo, quítate, 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 quítate todo, quítate todo, quítate, 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 quítate todo.
You broke off your back, girl. Yeah, yeah. Ladies, I'm here. I'm here. Yes. For me, girl, them. They up for me, girl, them. Yeah.
put the boom boom into my heart. You send my soul sky high when your loving starts. A jitterbug into my brain. It goes a bang 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 till my feet do the same. But something's bugging, something ain't right. My best friend told me what you did last night. You left me sleeping in my bed. I was dreaming, but I should have been with you instead. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when we hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. Yeah, yeah. You put the gray skies out of my way. You make the sun shine brighter than Doris Day. You turn a bright spark into a flame. My beats per minute never been the same. Cause you're my lady, I'm your fool. It makes me crazy when you act so cool. Come on, baby, let's not fight. We'll go dancing and everything will be alright. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. Yeah, 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 baby. Cuddle up, baby, moving tight. We'll go dancing tomorrow night. It's cold out there, but it's warm in bed. They can dance, we'll stay home instead. Yeah, yeah.
Nagtulang kay Kakoko ay Polokalama from Miss Galaxy
Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you
Dapat
go.
pwede kita
Don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. Don't wanna miss me dancing. I wanna go before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. I wanna go before you go. Take me dancing tonight.
Kalaman. Pe iku fratapu hendi ki he ngahi konsela talfikau lahi Australia Nusila pe foki Amerika mo tol ko to pe kainga maheni ko mo loto toa ke mo tokonia Apple Kalamani. Ko kore whamole mole atu heni, kai tukuange pe mua, pe amai hango fua ke whakalele ata Apple Kalamani i he lea whapapalangi, ko hinga ko tau kainga me muli, o nau i heni. Honorable Whatawhehi Lapaha Lupe Uluiva Filipe, Honorable Halaiwal Moheo Fualea Motua, Honorable Judges, contestants, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, and other genders. I'd like to welcome you all to the Miss Galaxy 2018. We will start our program, and I'd like to ask the pastor of the Tonga Ladies Association, Tupo Aho, to please come forward and say the opening prayer before we start.
Ke taulotu. O tua mafi. Ko koe koe mau tamai whakahewani a awhiona. Ko ki mau tolo eni ko mau whakataha mai ke whioi anga ko eni. Whakahoko ai whatongia, nei whai hono whakamohe pia mei uru. Ko mau whakamalo atu ai ki a awhiona. Koe uhi, ko koe whakahoko e mau amanaki i e whiawhini. Mea mai e onga tamai ki whakalangi. Mai kau whakaafi. Ka mau ki nau tolu na e whai ai ofa pa mai tokoni, koe uhi, koe aho ko eni. Mau hanga toi e tamai ki hea awhiona. Whai ho mau tāpu aki. Whai mo mau whakamonu ia aki mau tolu kotoa. Mau ki hau whanga tuku e whihi angani. E toka e merino, kia mai ofa e awhiona ia te ki mau tolu. Mau hanga toi ki whai tāke kina e wai hala whanonga. Pake melu ia e mau mo ui. Mau kore haka ngahi tāpu akini. Ia sisu ka laisko alo. Ko mau whakamo ui. Amen.
Thank you very much, Tupo. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge our sponsors, our diamond sponsors. The Digicel Global Fund and UNDP, New Zealand High Commission, Australian High Commission, Fiji Airways, A&A Retailer Store Limited, or A&A Retailer Tonga Limited, rather, Polynesian Shipping Agency Tonga, Coslo Royco Company Limited. Our cold sponsors, BSB Bank, MBF Bank, Taufa'ahau Village, Joella Hiring and Event Planner, Philly Lover Printing. Our silver sponsors, Spare Parts Zone, Leola Duty Free, Island Glow, Tonga Water and Office Equipment, The Green Goddess with Silive Nusi Tamuepeau, Seaview Lodge, Fafa Island, Little India, Family Free of Violence, Fab Rental, ANZ Bank, Billfish Bar, Azuka and Bia Tamuepeau Creation and Florist, Sunshine Rental Cars. And our bronze sponsors for this year, E.M. Jones Limited, Waterfront, Sabrina Barbecue, Friends Cafe, Mutule Bar and Restaurant, Steve Vete, and the New Millennium and Sakura. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our sponsors. Thank you. I would like to introduce now our panel of judges for tonight's event. Our first judge is Vivian Charlie, Queen Kautekula, or also known as Queen Kautekula. She's very creative in fashion. She knows how to make her own stuff. She's the first Miss Galaxy Queen, 1993. And she is a medical assistant in San Francisco, working Kindly Healthcare and Allegra Healthcare. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Vivian Charlie. He is the second secretary at the Australian High Commission, which is proudly supporting the 2018 Miss Galaxy pageant, Mr. Leon Brown. She's the CEO of A&A Retailer Tonga Limited and Managing Director of A&A Consultants Tonga Limited. She's also an executive member of the Tonga Swimming and Aquatics Association, or also known as a TSAA Board, and the business's representative to Tonga Competence Authority Board with Ministry of Labour and Commerce. A&A Retailer Tonga Limited is one of our diamond sponsors of Miss Galaxy 2018 and was the main sponsor for the Vava'u Miss Pageant 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mrs. Suliana Hafu. Our next contestant, oh, sorry, I forgot you're no longer a contestant. Oh dear, you still look like a contestant to me. She is the Miss Galaxy winner 2016, Coco Chandelier, all the way from the United States of America. He works at the Ministry of Tourism, event coordinator for Heilala Festival Committee, still single and mingle, and very much free to tingle. Ladies and gentlemen, Andrew Kautoke. She's the acting Deputy Chief of Mission for the U.S. Embassy in Suva, Helene Tilling. And our auditors for this year's pageant is none other than Miss Galaxy 2005, Felicia Brown Acton. And also the Secretary for the Tonga Ladies Association, Mr. Patrick Miller. Our program for this year, ladies and gentlemen, or tonight's program, we will be starting with the fourth judging category, which is the Galaxy Wear. Then after that, it will be followed by two entertainments. Then the fifth judging category will be the Own Talent. And this talent is the actual talent that is chosen by every contestant. Then after that will be continued on with entertainment. Then the last but not the least judging event for tonight will be the evening gown. And right after that, then we will have the crowning. The prizes for this year's Miss Galaxy. The winner for Miss Galaxy 2018-2019 is the return tickets for two from Tonga, Honolulu, Tonga, compliments of Fiji Airways. One night accommodation for two at the Honeymoon Deluxe Vale include 3 courses candlelight dinner plus breakfast and return boat trip value of 2,025 Tongan Paanga, compliments of Fafa Island. The crown is sponsored by the reigning Queen, Miss Galaxy 2017-18. The trophy and sash is also sponsored by Miss Galaxy and Amao Leota from our sisters from Melbourne, Australia, from the Rainbow family of Melbourne. Cash prize of 1,000 Paanga, sponsored by the Green Goddess, Silivenusi Tamoepeau. Bouquet by Asuka and Mia Florist and Creation. 200 Paanga voucher from Asupa Creation. And gift bag worth of 100 Paanga of beauty treatment sponsored by Island Glow. The first runner-up for this year's pageant wins a return ticket for one, Tonga, Sydney, Tonga, compliments of Joey Mataele. Day trip for two plus lunch and also boat transfer, value of 184 Tongan Paanga. Cash prize of 900, sponsored by the Family Free of Violence. Bouquet by the Asuka and Mia Flores and Creation. Gift bag worth of 80 Paanga of beauty treatment sponsored by Island Glow. The second runner-up for 2018 is a return ticket for one from Tonga, Auckland, Tonga, compliments of a Proxys New Zealand and Salote Heletalilo. Cash prize of 800 paanga, sponsored by A&A Retailers Tonga Limited. 3-course dinner voucher for 2 people and a bottle of wine. Bouquet by the Asuka Mia and Flores Creation. Sash by Philly Lava Printing. 200 paanga voucher from Asupa Creation and gift bag worth of 80 paanga of beauty treatment sponsored by Island Glow. The third runner-up for 2018 wins a happy hour voucher for 2 people, 2 drinks, snacks, sponsored by Seaview Lodge, cash price of 700 paanga, sponsored by A&A Retailers Tonga Limited. Bouquet by the Asuka and Mia Flores Creation, gift bag worth of 60 paanga of beauty treatment sponsored by Island Glow, and sash by Philly Lava Printing. The fourth runner-up for 2018, Masani Beauty Treatment supporting local businesses sponsored by Kiyoshi Motuapuaka. Full makeup application by Primrose Beauty Makeup worth of 50 paanga. Glitter Your Nails by Miss Iona Finau of 50 paanga. Style Your Hair by Tuineau Hair Salon worth of 50 paanga. 3-course dinner for 2. Bottle of wine at Luna Rosa Restaurant. Cash price of 600 paanga, sponsored by A&A Retailer Tonga Limited. Bouquet by Asika and Mia Flores and Creation, and gift bag worth of 60 paanga of beauty treatment sponsored by Island Glow, and sash by Philly Lava. Our interview cash prices, the winner will receive 300 paanga cash prize sponsored by Captain Cook Apartments. First runner-up, 200 cash prize by Steve Vete. Second runner-up is 100 paanga cash by Captain Cook's Apartment. The Red Creation wins. The winner will win 300 paanga cash prize of 300 paanga sponsored by Global Fund and UNDP. First runner-up, 200 cash prize by Global Fund and UNDP Fiji. And second runner-up is 100 paanga by Tara Tamaua Brown, Miss Galaxy 2010. The Condom Creation winner wins 300 paanga, cash sponsored by Global Fund UNDP Fiji. The first runner-up is another cash prize of 200 cash by Global Fund, again with UNDP Fiji. And the second runner-up is 100 paanga cash prize by Tara Tamaua Brown, Miss Galaxy 2010. The theme talent wins 300 paanga cash sponsored by Global Fund and UNDP Fiji. First runner-up is 200 cash by Global Fund and UNDP again. The second runner-up is 100 cash by Tara Tamaua Brown, Miss Galaxy 2010. The Galaxy Wear winner will win 300 paanga, sponsored by Family Free of Violence. First runner-up wins 200 paanga by Friends Cafe. Second runner-up is 100 paanga by Friends Cafe also. The Own Talent wins the winner will win 300 paanga, sponsored by A&A Retailer Tonga Limited. First runner-up is 200 paanga by A&A Retailer Tonga Limited, and again, the second runner-up will win cash prize by A&A Retailer Tonga Limited. The evening gown The winner will win 300 pa'anga cash, sponsored by ANA retailer Tonga Limited. First runner-up wins a 200 pa'anga by Friends Cafe, and second runner-up is 100 pa'anga compliments of Captain Cook's apartment. The compliment of 100 pa'anga for a lady to help out with her school. It will be donated, and this is one of the special prizes donated by Asupa Motuapuaka. And she would like to donate this to one of our students for next year to help out with their school fees. The Miss Popularity wins 100 cash prize, sponsored by Tukinga Langi from USA. Miss Congeniality is 100 pa'anga cash, sponsored by Tukinga Langi from USA again, and again by Tukinga Langi. Miss Photogenic, 100 pa'anga cash prize. The Lady of the Year wins 200 cash prize, sponsored by Tukinga Langi from USA, a crown and sash by Tarata Ma'ua, Brown Miss Galaxy 2010, and of course from Philly Lover Printing. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all our prizes for this year's pageant, and we would like to thank all our sponsors. And there are other sponsors that had donated a lot for the operating and the logistics of this pageant. This pageant is not an easy task. It's a very expensive exercise, and it does cost us a fortune. And to be able to have this, it is without a doubt, without your help and your support, this would never be happen, and would like to thank you all for your love, support, and care. Please put your hands together for all our sponsors for this year. Let's get on with the show, ladies and gentlemen, with the Galaxy Wear, our first contestants for this year. Miss Vava'u. DJ, have you got the music? Just wait, darling. Just wait. Don't hurry. The judges want to see you. Wow.
Wake it. Wake it, wake it, wake it. Wake it. Wake it, wake it, wake it. Wake it. Wake it, wake it, wake it. Wake it. Wake it. Wake it, wake it, wake it. Wake it.
Miss Tom, Miss Mosey, take away Vava'u, Lavenda Mose.
Quando eu entro, o palco se move. Talento aqui chove, claro que o povo me ouve. Só pongo love, tô com a buraca, abro fronteira. Não digo lixo, nem digo asneira. No microfone sou a primeira, vou levantar a minha bandeira. Angola, o mundo cobiça, mas é o povo que te feitiça. A Pong no beat e capricha, porque sou rara, tipo Velpicha. Sou mesmo eu, a dama gajo muito agressiva. Me derrubar, né, como a Pumba, sou criativa. A buraca é que está a colher, está aí fora. Pongo love, que está a bater. Volta embora, wege, 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 wege. Dá piada, wege, wege, wege.
Next on the stage, Miss Lady Maria Ironica Hall.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear the pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. She said, te amo. Then she put her hand around me, waist. I told her no, she cried, te amo. I told her I never run away. But let me go. I saw him to cry. Without asking why. I said, te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Listen, we can dance. But you gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I move under the light because I understand that we all need love.
Please welcome on stage Miss Cruella Fashion Design, Camilla Ria.
I ain't gonna be cooking all day. I ain't your mama. I ain't gonna do your laundry. I ain't your mama. I ain't your mama. Boy, I ain't your mama. When you gonna get your act together? I ain't your mama. No, I ain't your mama. No, I ain't your mama. No, wake up, arise and shine. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's get to work on time. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No more playing video games. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Things are about to change. Round here, round here. We used to be crazy in love. Can we go back to how it was? When did you get too comfortable? 'Cause I'm too good for that. I'm too good for that. Just remember that. Yeah. I ain't gonna be cooking all day. I ain't your mama. I ain't gonna do your laundry. I ain't your mama. I ain't your mama. Boy, I ain't your mama.
Of Pluto.
When you gonna get your act together? I ain't
Ladies
your
and
mama.
gentlemen, the glitter, the stone that is brought by her
I ain't your mama, no.
is none other than the onyx of the planet Pluto.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You still trying to ride this train? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Some things have gotta change. Round here, we used to be crazy in love. Can we go back to how it was? When did you get too comfortable? 'Cause I'm too good for that. I'm too good for that. Just remember that. Gonna be cooking all day. I ain't your mama. I ain't gonna do your laundry. I ain't your mama. I ain't your mama. Boy, I ain't your mama. When you gonna get your act together? I ain't your mama. No, I ain't your mama. No.
Next contestant number 4, Miss Asuka Mia Flores. Tonight, I am proud to stand before you in my Miss Galaxy wear as Queen Marina of the Milky Way Galaxy. The descriptive Milky is derived from the appearance from Earth of the beautiful, mysterious galaxy, which is a band of light seen in the night sky, formed from stars that cannot be individually distinguished by the naked eye. The beam of light is reflected by the diamond jewels I wear tonight. The piece is a composition of blinging diamonds and pearls that is all connected and centered to the rainbow colors that signifies the motto, the theme of, and the beautiful hearts of the Tonga Ladies Association. The wear comes together with its black tail. He neongo habea o kutauke me menipe. Life becomes with ups and downs. Climate change comes with its impacts. But despite all that, we are Tongans with strong hearts, with commitments and with dedication. We die for Tonga, ke otua mo tonga ko hoku tofia. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 6, Miss Sapphire Queen Vava.
DJ Noise.
This is the boy connect and them make wood. Test did you make one test now? She's so fine, girl. She's so fine, Oh, you weather, can you come over here? Let me hear what you're thinking when I throw up in here. Life is good, do it, and you coming with me. Oh, here, go, baby, open my head, do it. Where the sun don't shine, but the moon is bright. Come let me to the wine.
My galaxy wear is a war hero. That actually takes you all the way to the ages of Star Wars. And I am from the planet of LGBTIQ. that shines, glitter like a catwoman.
I'm like diamonds in Versace and your government cheap. I said, wait, come over here, impossible food on this plate. I ain't gone to the gym, bitch, I ain't lifting no weights. Look at me, I'm sickening. Yeah, I'm sickening. Woo, I may be fat, bitch, but you're ugly and I lose weight. Yeah, I lose weight.
Miss Sophia, Queen Laval, Lady Eva Biron.
Where is he? Come back here, bitch. Hold up, that's delicious. I don't care if it's nutritious. Bring me wine, pork rinds, that'll be just fine. Something greasy, something crazy. Watch me open wide. Open wide, open wide. All these ass stuffing got the world on the plate. And I'm a little extra curvy, but there's no need to hate. Cause I'm a big girl. The name is
Please put your hands together for our next contestant, Miss Fafa Island Resort.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bundy is a champion, Folland is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gayle is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly and a champion, 958 Bolt a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Don't vex if your name not call. We have to leave everybody some ball. We love soccer and dancehall. We love cricket and football. From a dancing a man name we call. Champion, champion. Every trainee and every yard man. Champion, champion. Every BC and every Bajan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Fafa Island Resort. As you can see, these are the stars that falls at Fafa Island Resort.
Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion.
Please welcome on
champion,
stage contestant number 8, Miss
958.
Lovey's Tour Apartment, Giovanna Muffy.
Hey, yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make these flames go higher?
Tonight?
Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane.
I am a superwoman. My costume represents being a superhero who guards the galaxy. I am a superwoman. I was born to protect the universe. I too stand in crowd with the bright colors of the rainbow that represents the LGBT community. Wanted to live happy ever after in our own world, no matter what.
Put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take you to the max now. Jam in this small jam way. Jam in this small jam way.
My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chicken Martina, anane.
Giovanna Muffy.
Let me take it from here. Solomon girl straight up, right hoots in my mama,
You
make we
go,
party
girl.
non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies with a doggy doggy. I'm drumming island reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. We tapping and baby, make it slow wine for me, baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island
Contestant
way.
number 9,
Shout out to the good
Miss
times.
Lagoon Apartments, Amanda Ryder.
Grab your shoes.
Well, alright, just watch. Well, alright, just watch.
This is what we call next stop uptown. Next stop uptown.
Just watch.
With no further delays, bring me on the right way.
Just watch.
This shit that ice cold. Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen,
I'm too hot.
Miss Amanda Ryder
Say my name, you know who
pursues
I am.
that
I'm too
the
hot.
Statue of Liberty actually originally came from Star Galactica.
Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some
Thank you very much, Miss Amanda Ryder. Please welcome on stage contestant number 10, Miss Lomaile Lodge. O kō ngā wea ki he pouri. Ki hono tau whare aki, ai kakai lue hala he pouri. Ko e ku mea kai, ko e hui. Ko e ku hau mei he palanite, ko e ko K Road New Zealand. Please welcome on stage contestant number 11, Miss Vahilato.
Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up.
Miss Vahilato's
Don't need to run
Galaxy
so
Wear
fast.
tonight is
Sometimes we
inspired
come
by
like
the Milky
I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't believe. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't believe. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day. Those new mistakes.
Takes more than a heart of a mother to see beyond our appearances.
Try
We
everything.
must learn to have the utmost
Try everything.
humility,
Try
love,
everything.
respect, to see the goodness within us and our potential. My costume was designed to be shiny tonight, to remind us all, ladies and LGBTIQ community, that we are individually a star. Together, we are a galaxy. Ofatu. Last but not the least, Miss Cruella Flores.
I know that we are young, and I know that you may love me, but I just can't be with you like this anymore. Alejandro.
She's got both hands in her pocket, and she won't look at you, won't look at you. She hides true love in superstition. She's got a halo around her finger, around you. You know that I love you, boy. Hot like Mexico, rejoice. At this point, I've gotta choose, nothing to lose. Don't call my name, don't call my name, Alejandro. I want you, babe, I want you, babe. Fernando, don't wanna kiss, don't wanna touch, just want my cigarette and hush. Don't call my name, don't call my name, Roberto. Alejandro, Alejandro. Alejandro,
Lady Isabella Gugu.
Stop, please. Just let me go. Alejandro, just let me go.
She's not broken, she's just a baby. But her boyfriend's like a dad, just like a dad. And all those flames that burn for him.
We're competition. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge our sponsors for this year, our diamond sponsors, Digicel, Global Fund and UNDP, Fiji, New Zealand High Commission, Australian High Commission, Fiji Airways, A&A Retailer Tonga Limited, Polynesia Shipping Agency, Coslo, and Royco Company Limited. The gold sponsors, BSB Bank, MBF Bank, Taufa'ahau Village, Joella Hiring and Event Planner, Philly Lover Printing. The silver sponsors, Spare Parts Zone, Loyola Duty Free, Island Glow, Tonga Water and Office Equipment, The Green Goddess and Silivenusi Taumoepeau. Seaview Lodge, Fafa Island Resort, Little India, family free of violence, Fab Rental, AZ Bank, Billfish Bar, Asuka and Mia Tamoepeau Creation and Florist, Sunshine Rental Cars, our bronze sponsors, E.M. Jones, Waterfront, Sabrina Barbecue, Friends Cafe, Mutule Bar and Restaurant, Steve Vete, and New Millennium and Sakura. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all our sponsors. Kata ke paspasi mai etau kau sponsors. And just to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, we've got hot food takeaway on my right, which is just at the corner over there with the lights. They've got hot food, curry, you name it. They have it all. And we've got a stall here, another takeaway, we've got fast food, sandwich, I think. And submarines selling on my left, right there on the corner. So if you feel like having something to eat, please help yourself. With a payment, of course. And you can buy me something too, because these lights are burning my hunger. Okay. Bringing on stage, ladies and gentlemen, our first entertainment for tonight will be performed by the reigning queen, Miss Galaxy 2017. How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Miss Galaxy 2017.
You know, every now and then, I think you might like to hear something from us. Nice and easy. But there's just one thing.
Job down in the city.
You see, we never, ever do nothing
Working for the man
nice,
every night and
easy.
day.
We always do
I
it
never lost
nice
1 minute of
and
sleep.
rough.
And I will
But we're going to take the beginning of this song
and
do it easy. But then we're going to do the finish. Rough.
Proud Mary,
It's the way we do.
keep on burning.
Proud Mary. And we're rolling, ooh, rolling, ooh, rolling on the river. Listen to the story. Left a good job
Down
in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep.
And I was
Worried about the way that things might have been.
You know that
Big wheel keep on turning. Proud Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling,
rolling,
rolling, yeah,
rolling,
rolling.
Yeah, and we're rolling. Just make sure that you can roll back home. We'd like to welcome on stage the second entertainment for tonight. Please welcome on stage the Tacos for Life boys. Woohoo! Did you want this too? Did you want this one too?
Move fair. Test. Yo, say, malo bito.
Yes, babe.
Mau tolong Tacos for Life. Tacos for Life. Mau fia ke tau te kau whakatahe fiafin. Mukata ki behe ke fusai wala mau tuia tu ka mea ben mau. Kau haua mau tolong ho whangai whakata. Koe fohi wako na mana ke mau hiwa ia tu. Koe palopale mako ni ulahi hoko he tau tupu. Tai mila he te whiohi mo ha te kau mea. O lahe kau whakanga mo kau loto kovi. Nau tala noa toko te whesi lausi.
Tacos for life! Tacos for life! Iko lahe whakanga mo loto kovi mai kakai ki anga te whiohi.
O te tukanga ko hiki. Nau loto kovi nau tolu ia whiohi tenye ta whiohi.
Wave your hand!
Whaki a koe, kai whanongo mai.
Nau loto kovi he e ta whiohi. Wave your hand! Nau tala noto whako whesi lausi. Ai mai ke haa e nau whakanga. Kei soliti e tope e ku o wha.
Oloi matana, puni o te rima, o lunga mai ko kumatu. Noa e whei a i kai ke fuolo e te uha. Ko pau ke ulu ai la a, hanga hake ha ulu. Mari moa, ke soli te tau wha. Ke iane hamaka, tuku peke nau pehe. Ka ilonga ma ke he te ta pehe ma upe. Ui hako pepe, ui koko kupele.
Nau loto kovi he e ta whiohi. Nau tala noa to whako whesi lausi. Ai mai ke haa e nau whakanga. Kei soliti e tope e ku o wha.
Koe ngai tala mona he ngā rupe anga hape he tokua pipi whika waki mo taua. Ma te he kakai koe le kani hala koe. Koe ka uwhakanga koe mea noa pea. Ai o tui ke mo o, tuku noa e e whinu. E koe anga pe whanonga e fo i maamatu. O koe pe mo au e fo i taini mu. Ina pea mo sini lau kara ke nau ilo.
Nau loto kovi he e ta whiohi. Nau tala noa to whako whesi lausi. Ai mai ke haa e nau whakanga. Kei soliti e tope e ku o wha.
Ko au ia, ko e fo i haua ka ko koe ta ahine. Ko hoku ta ka hua taimi lahe whio. Si o lalo kakai, tala noa tuku hifo ko e naulo toko vi. Manu ki i mehe kai, ka ko pau ke tala vai. E ko koe ki ate ako no o taki o taha. Toki mui mai e me ako toa pe. E ko koe pe mo au i maa mani furi pe. Piki mai o puti maa. E kono kipe hoke nau whi mai ki haa. E so ni ti pe tau wha. Piki mai o puti maa. Ola keke hoki nau whi Tala ane pepe ai mai ki haa. Ki so ni ti pe tau wha.
Ta ahire ko koe pe e kupere. Au whea tu hoku maa koto ki e koe. Ko osi ilo pe e. E nau loto kovi mai. Ka oa teke tokanga koe ki ai. Ko koe pe ke te au baby. Nau loto kovi e eta feoli Tau tala noto Ko fesi losi Ai mai ke haa e nau whakanga E soliti e to peku o wha
Yoshi baby. Tokos for life. Tokos for life.
Opatu. Kamador. Deu. Uno.
Hey. Tawak.
How about another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the Tokos for Life? And you might be thinking, and I know through live stream, some of these Tongans from overseas might be saying, what the heck are they doing with that kind of outfit, come on stage in something like this? Hello, this is real life. We have boys that are wandering around on the street and they have talents that we need to promote. Their talents is out of, I don't know, it's just amazing to have kids like this that are actually wandering around. You see all these boys wandering around in town and they call themselves Tokos for Life because they've been friends for life since childhood. But because of the life that they chose, not that one too. Daniel, if you do that again, I'll book you tonight. And we see our members in the same stage that these boys are. And because of the program and the support that you have for Miss Galaxy, we're able to put our members in a better standard and life. And we would like to promote some of these talents that these boys have. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to go back to our program, but before that, kore atu heni ki he mea lere fika si tahao no whātol taha, si tahao no whātol taha, ka tak whakamole mole, o ku ke poloka e koe ai aluanga ki he api ko ke tauai I mua, hoi he tau mua koe ni o kou si tua ki ai, hala tāu wha, ka pau ku ke o ne fik ai kā koe ni, si tahao no whātol taha, ka tak whakamole mole, o ki wei whakatawhaaki hake ke tawhaaki kai atae aluanga o e api malo au pito. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage our first contestant with the talent competition. Miss Mosey, take away Vava'u, Lavender Mosey.
sun sets, the goddess Hina dances across the heavens. The radiance of her moon illuminates upon the sands of Bora Bora, enticing the earth with her lunar passion to lure Tane into her realm of twilight.
Thank you, Miss Mosey. Take away the vowel, Lavender Mosey. Please welcome on stage our second contestant with her talent, Miss Lady Maria Ironica All.
It's oh so quiet. It's oh so still.